Look. Look what I got. I got a note from the witch. See? There's the witch.
Yeah.
I got Happy Mail. And I didn't even clean up this mess because I wanted to see my Happy Mail. I got Happy Mail from Miss Curly.
Yeah.
The grumpy old man sent me Happy Mail.
Oh, so it's grumpy now.
It's Grumpy Mail.
Yeah.
And she got tape lessons from Amy.
Mommy? This?
Yes, nobody tapes like Nana Amy, huh?
And this monster.
Nana Amy should be a kidnapper because they'd never escape.
Yeah. Boxes.
She says these were inherited from her granny, so she's pretty sure they're vintage.
You know, boxes.
No, I didn't buy that. Leave that alone. So I got, look at what I got. Oh, ho, ho. I'm going to do one at a time. Look at this one. Look at, ooh, Purdy's. Look at Purdy's. You know I love lace. You know I do. Ooh, look at all these. Look at. These are all gorgeous.
Yeah.
Look at all of these.
And a red one.
Oh, the grumpy old man's gonna make me cry.
I cried.
Yeah.
I did.
They're gorgeous. Look at these things. Oh my god. Oh,
Right here.
ooh, purdy lace. Ooh.
Need to lay
Oh,
down.
honey, you should not have sent me lace from your grandma.
No.
But I will love it and cherish it.
Hey, sugar.
And cut it up and put it on journals.
Look at this one. I am not cutting these up to put on a journal.
You still want it?
Yes, I'm going to hoard them. I'm going to be adding these to the curated collection. Crafty supplies.
That's even stuff. That's even stuff. And last one.
Cut them up.
That's a rainbow car. Woo!
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's boho.
Yeah.
See, boho. I know boho.
That's boho.
That's boho.
Go lay down.
You know, she just did that to see if I would identify boho.
Ew.
So don't work boho into this thing.
That's our last one.
Look, it's more boho.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
I love this stuff. It looks like macrame.
Isn't it awesome?
This is gorgeous.
I do it on your package.
Gorgeous. That's cute.
I love the way that she has learned how to say gorgeous. Say it, gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Well, you know, my
That's
favorite
more
was when
stuff.
she wanted some of my milkshake. She knew exactly what to say.
Is that
It's
bigger one?
Delicious.
Peanut?
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
She's going to hit the mother load over there.
Yeah. It's the bigger one.
ooh, Curly is by far my favorite grumpy old man.
Yeah.
And you've known some
I
grumpy
love
old
it.
men.
I have known some. I'm married to
You
a
love
grumpy
it?
old man.
You are so cute.
These are gorgeous. Thank you so much, Curly. I love you. Thank you, honey. You grumpy old man.
You made the Beamer cry. Good job. I have some in my room.
That's it. I just wanted to share my happy mail with y'all. Yes, you made me cry, you grumpy old brat. I love you, Curly. Bye, guys.